Alright y'all, it's Up in Smoke. We back out here with another one. Today we're going to the Planes of Fame Air Museum for the Supercar Suspects meetup. We got like an hour drive away, so I'm here putting in gas right now, as you can see, at the lovely gas station. About to go inside, grab a quick Red Bull, and from there, we are out of here. We got like an hour and 20-minute drive over there, but hopefully it's a good turnout and we see a whole bunch of nice cars, so just stay tuned. Guys already know, just like every other video we always do, we gotta check out the parking lot first. Especially this one. This one got like a few planes and stuff in it, so I'll show you guys where we at for right now in case you guys want to come check it out. It's called Planes of Fame Air Museum. And they got these two big boys outside. I'm sure they got more elsewhere, but that is pretty sick. You can actually go in them, I think, too. Well, this one at least. Now this is something really rare to see. Really minty EM1. This is a 2000 Civic SI. Now the thing with these is you never really know whether or not it's original paint or real EM1, but this is pretty clean. Got this stock rims on it, the stock spoiler, got the whole matching seat, so it's a great chance it's a real EM1, but this is clean. Now there's one other car I want to show you guys out here in the parking lot. It's like a Porsche GT3. Maybe it's not a GT3, but I seen it when we were walking in, so before we finally go into the meet, we gotta check this one out. Let's see where it's at. I'm not sure if it's on this side. I think it's right. There we go. That's even better. It's a GT3 Cup car. The GT3 is already sick, but having a Cup edition, wow, this is sick. Check this out. Literally got the crazy Vorsteiner wheels on it. Front decal right there. This is pretty sick though, I gotta admit. They got everything you need on it. Front canards, front tow hook, the hood pins. This is sick. The whole cage inside. My favorite part gotta be these cutouts right here. Literally has the Porsche decal on the wing, but look at these cutouts, how sick. Even got trunk pins. Yeah, these are nothing to play with. Between that cutout for the wing uprights and the center exhaust, I don't know which one I like more, but this is pretty sick. Clean build right here. Well, it's about that time, guys. We're about to go in and see what they got in there. I've never been in there, so I'm sure it's gonna be a mixture of planes and cars, but hopefully it's a good turnout and see what we got. Alright, so before we go to that whole copyright section, what we're gonna do is we're going into the airplane section. It's nice, quiet in here. Hopefully the mic isn't picking up all that copyright. In the meantime, we'll show you guys a few like airplane stuff, including this airplane right here. This is sick. Can you imagine somebody literally sitting in there? It's a one-seater to control this huge monster of a plane. Like, this is sick. I don't know much about planes. I don't know much about how they work, but all I know is they're definitely cool to look at, and I know there's a lot of science that goes behind these things, but see what other stuff we got. We got a whole room full of them. Now let me show you guys one sick thing about these planes. This huge plane right here, huge, only has a top speed of 190. A Bugatti's faster than this plane, and this is huge. You can see the size of this, like relative to. Look at this one, another huge plane, top speed 175. That's it, and this is huge. This is outrageous. So to think, put in perspective, a Bugatti is faster than most of these planes out here. Well, there's a few other planes. Hopefully they get faster. I'm sure these are old as hell. So let's see what else we got. I'm getting copyright like hell right now, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna get out there, we're gonna cut through a quick montage and we show you guys what they got. Now this holds something close to my heart because it's the new 2023 Supra, and on top of that, it is not automatic, it's actually stick. Thanks to Adam LZ now, I know what I've been looking at. So there's RB26, clearly labeled right there, but this is an R33. Got this super clean S13. There's one thing I'm gonna do with a Honda meet is find all the Hondas. This is a nice one. That's pretty sick what he did there. Seen this one from the whole other side. I had to come check it out, but this is sick. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's S15 front. Sick about this meat is you go from this straight into this. Like, come on, this is sick. Even got some hanging in the air. Got like basically bicycle tires on that. Gotta admit, this is sick. They even got oil drip pans because it leaks oil. Supposedly there was a sign over there. They all run. That's why you see oil, whatever, leaking and what. But I don't know how true that is. Some of these are ancient, so I don't know if they all run. But they got a sign saying they all run. This is sick. This plane right here supposedly took a crash landing on a frozen lake. The guy survived, but it wasn't recovered until 2003, and the landing happened in the 60s. So this is how corroded it was from being on the water for all those years. As you can see, it's still in one piece, so he clearly didn't crash. He just, you know, he landed it safely, but this looks sick. I've been waiting to see this Z for a long time. I'm sure all you guys know who Z this is, and of course it's Fresh Cakes. It's a pretty sick build though. Got the big wells on the back.
This thing a hit power.
Full interior all done up. There's most seats. I love fenders like that. Where it has that little indent, you can see the tire. These rims are sick though. Nismo Graham lights. Really working on it in here. Brings me back to the days, man. I gotta say, a lot of people not gonna like this, but I must admit, World at War, Call of Duty World at War, gotta be one of my favorite my favorite Call of Duties ever made. Everyone says Black Ops 2, Modern Warfare 2. Modern Warfare 2 is definitely my second favorite, but World at War just hit different, and there's never been another one like it. But every time I see stuff like this, like, you know, it reminds me of that game. Like that game was sick, man. They gotta bring it back. They have to. There's no way around it. We need a retro on that. Said guys, it's officially time to go back over to the copyright section. So now, just be ready because we're going right back to a B-roll. They got loud music over there. So here we go.
Discount for first time
Been
buyers.
waiting for them to cut the music so I could talk about this S2000, but this is sick. I feel like we've seen it before, but this is perfect. The exact color I'm trying to go with. I'm gonna get those same exact blow valves.
On Instagram and tag
It just goes perfect with the Nardo. Only I had like the spoon calipers, so it'll be great, man. This sick S2000 right here, man. I'm sure none of you guys know what kind of kit this Corvette has. This is sick, though. I'm not a Corvette guy, so I personally never even heard of it. I think it's called SOC, C-S-O-C Racing. But the whole rear end looks completely different. It's pretty sick. I actually like it like this better. This is fire. Comment down below, let me know what you think of that. I'm down with the conversion. Rather better than looking like everybody else on the road.